Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix motion from the live photo is not spotted as a wallpaper in any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that the motion from your live photo is not spotted for a live wallpaper, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to do, you just have to make a force restart your phone, or you have to try to update your phones. Go for settings, go for general software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have anyone try to update with your software. And once you have done, you have to go back and then you have to make a force restart your phone, because sometimes your phone must need a force restart. So you might get these type errors. So you just have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press on the hold power button, wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone using your passcode. And here you have to open your settings, and so the very first thing is your problem will be fixed. It almost your problem will be fixed. Or if it doesn't work for you, you have to open your settings again, and then you have to re-update your wallpaper. So select wallpaper, then select add new wallpaper, and then select photos, or if you have any live photo option here, you can directly select that. But in my case, there's no one like that. You have to select the photos option, then select the live photo from here, and here you just have to select the photo which you have in your live section. And once you get the photo, you just have to select that, and then your photo will be set it. So in this way, you can easily fix if you have an issue that emotion from your live photo is not spotted as a wallpaper on any iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.